everyone. Do you want to learn how to make a keychain like this in just 5 minutes? Even if you've never picked up beads before, then sit back and relax. I'll show you everything now. So, what do we need for this? I have beads like these. You'll need 28 of them. Look how crystal-like they are. I have 0.8 millimeters. So, here's a pendant to make a keychain for us. I took 0.5 millimeters fishing line. I have a spool like this. Scissors. And here are some tweezers, if we need to get our fishing line out. So, let's get started. For the first part of the keychain, I'm taking a very small piece, about 25 centimeters probably. So, what do? Take 4 beads and put them on the fishing line. 2, 3, 4. So, let's make a loop in the last one. Pull it up like this. And hide this knot inside our bead. Next, we put 3 beads on the right fishing line. 1, 2, 3. We also make a loop, pass the opposite end of the fishing line and tighten everything. Like this. And the last thing, we also put 3 beads on the right fishing line. 1. Like this, 2, 3. We also make a loop and tighten everything. This is the kind of detail you should get. We need to make 2 of these. For the second one, we take much larger segments. You can take about a meter, because later we will connect these 2 parts with this segment. I made the second part. I have some fishing line left. I transferred it from this bead here on the edge, so that it is convenient for us to connect now. Like this. Like this. We put 1 bead on the lower fishing line and find the same bead on this product. We pass it through it. We hold it like this. Then it does not matter here, on the right or on the left. When there is 1 bead, we put it on any fishing line. I make a loop, pass the opposite fishing line through this ring. And tighten it like this. And this is how we will connect our entire heart. This is how we pass the adjacent beads with the fishing line up. This is where the tweezers can come in handy, because the crystal beads have a small hole and the fishing line may not pass through the second time. This is how we helped ourselves with the tweezers and moved on. Again, we put on 1 bead, make a loop, pass the opposite section of the fishing line. Tighten everything. Do not lose a single bead. Do not forget to attach the carabiner here, to this bead. Now we go down from this side and from this side. We went through. One bead, a loop and connect. You see, it fell down there. This is the shape of the heart already. And this is how we connect our 2 parts along the entire perimeter. If you are still thinking that, oh, there is no heart, but when you get to the bottom here, 1 bead will stand here, it will form our heart completely. You will already see a good outline of the heart. Well, we are slowly going like this and now we will attach the snap hook. Like this. I will probably put it on now so that it is a little bit on top here. Then I put on the bead, make a loop. I hope I did not go out of frame. everything was visible. And then we tighten it like this. We go further along our beads. Oh, I forgot to put it through the bead here. I put it through the snap hook, but forgot to go through the bead. Like this. We do not miss a single bead, otherwise it will be crooked. Like this. We tighten the snap hook, fishing line, so that nothing gets tangled. We unfold here. Here, mine has twisted a little. That's it, tighten it. That's it, we can continue weaving. It's not at all difficult for those who are just starting to weave. You can please yourself and your loved ones with such a small handmade accessory. We have a few steps left. That's it, we have 2 beads left. So, and the last bead here, which will form our heart. That's it, put it on. The last bead. You see, it still seems unclear whether it is a heart or not. But now with the last bead it is already clear that it is a heart. That's it, we hide the fishing line like this, also along the beads in a chaotic movement. Wherever you can go the second time, there you go. And then just cut it. Like this, you can go back and forth along the beads, if, of course, it allows you to go the second time. As you can see, everything goes well with me. We cut our fishing line. We don't need it anymore. And here's a cute little heart keychain we got. Just 5 minutes of your time. And you dare, you can do it too. Yeah.